Alright, today I have Vital Proteins Collagen Beauty Greens. Now this collagen comes with 15 grams of collagen per serving. It's supposed to be good for your skin, hair, and nail support. And it also is accompanied with 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid. Flavors coconut, vanilla coconut. Alright, and so one serving is 2 scoops in here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. If you want, you can look at the nutritional profile on the side where it talks about the typical amino acid profile as well. I'm going to open it up. There's like it's almost proliferated little tie that goes around the top, and you just simply unwind it off. And then you go ahead and just open up the top like you normally would with a top, I guess. And I'm going to go ahead and find this. And when I open it up, it's green on the inside. You can see it's a dark green, and I'm guessing that it's because of the vital greens that it's talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and take the scoop. I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to show you as well as I'm going to taste test. So this is what it looks like right here. Get in there, focus a little bit. So it's a dark green. It smells almost like matcha green tea to a degree, but we'll see what it tastes like. So I'm going to go ahead. Some of the other ingredients in here, it says the greens, wheatgrass, organic, kale, organic baby grass fed. It doesn't seem to have any green tea in it, though it does smell like it to me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pour up a glass of water, and then I'm going to mix in 2 scoops to show you how well it mixes in with the water. And it says a suggestion to make this. Let's see what the suggestion is. I'm just gonna go ahead and make 8 ounces of water. That's usually how they typically go. It doesn't give any instructions. Let's see. Directions: combine 2 scoops with 8 fluid ounces of cold liquid. Mix thoroughly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do about 8 ounces of this cold liquid, which I call water. About 8 ounces of that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix in 2 of the scoops so we can see how well it mixes in. So I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so 1 scoop right here of the grains, and 2 scoop. All right, so put that in there, and then I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm gonna mix it with my spoon. It says mix well, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my spoon. I'm gonna mix it well. It's a really darkish color. I'm assuming you can put this into a smoothie and it would be just fine, just good. It says mix with cold liquid. Seems to be dissolving pretty well. I'm just gonna stir it for another 2 or 3 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. All right, so it's a dark green. It looks kind of healthy, right? It looks like something you get from a juice bar or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. The taste is actually, it's not like a fruit drink or anything like that, but it doesn't, it's not overwhelming, and it's easy to drink. It's a health drink. It's nothing fun, nothing you'd find at a juice bar by itself because it's not sweetened at all. So I'm assuming that you can mix this in with some sort of juice. I'd actually want to try to mix this in with a blended drink of my choice. I haven't decided what, but a green smoothie. Just add these in here to get the collagen and the extra greens. I'm gonna go ahead and finish. I'm trying to see how it thickens. It doesn't seem to be thickening too much. That was a concern of mine, but it seems to be quite fine and not thickening up at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink another swig of this. All right, so I finished drinking it, and I could possibly drink this by itself every single day without the need of mixing it in with anything but a cold liquid or water. So it's relatively okay tasting, but I'm really looking forward to the results that I get from taking 15 grams of collagen per serving along with hyaluronic acid. All right, so that's Vital Proteins Collagen Beauty Greens. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.